What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Caspians, I'm back with another video for you guys. We're about to dive into Casper once again in this video. If you hold Casper, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. Blow this video up, make it go viral, share it all over Twitter, because Casper is never gonna stop crushing it. The more people we could get into the Casper community, the better, right? So share the video, guys. First thing we're gonna take a look at, is coin market cap. Casper sitting at 3.8 cent right now, just under 4 cent, but it's looking like it's ready to break past that 4 cent mark here. $769 million in market cap, $31 million in 24-hour trade volume for Casper. It's only a matter of time until the tier 1 start to take notice of Cas, guys, and it gets on the tier 1 exchanges, right? Cas, like I said, is the unicorn altcoin of this cycle, man. Like, as far as performance, it's the best performing altcoin this cycle since it's since the start, right? It has done so well last year. Like, it outran everything last year in the deep dark depths of the bear market. The bear it's my accent, guys, but yeah, it outperformed everything in the bear market, with the market conditions being absolutely terrible. So imagine when a bull run is here, imagine when we go peak FOMO, peak euphoria, peak bull market, because right now there's no new money in the space, right? A lot of money in the space right now is just money that's changing hands from previous projects. So what's happening right now, from what I could see, is that a lot of people are liquidating their other altcoins and going into Casper. Like, just like how Pepe, when Pepe was on its way to 1.7 billion, a lot of other projects were falling because Pepe was just sucking up all of that liquidity, right? And the same thing is happening right here with Casper, guys. It's a liquidity black hole. It's all of the rest of the space is just getting sucked into Casper, and when new money starts to get into the space, I could only imagine how far the Casper chart, the project, the price will go, man. Insane stuff, man. Just absolutely insane stuff. Can y'all tell these people stop shilling other projects on the Cas, man? It's annoying. From Almo, Cas, let's grow together. Skydiver, Cas, today I sold my car, my house, and my boat, and changed everything into Cas. Now I can sleep again. Man, these are the type of convictions that could either give you generational wealth or get you wrecked, man. But if you was gonna do if you were gonna do whatever Skydiver was gonna do, I would pick no better altcoin than Cas to do it in, man. If I was gonna sell my car, my house, my boat, everything, and put it into a project that I saw had great potential, it would be Cas, man. So Skydiver, let's see if Skydiver's conviction plays out, because if it does, man, he's gonna have a story like the dogecoin millionaire, right? Put in all of his assets in the doge at the bottom, and then boom, millionaire, right? 6y8, Cas, what is $1 realistic in September? I don't think we hit $1 this year, 6y8. I think we're gonna go to at least 10 to 15 cents this year, though. Christ Julius, just want to remind you that the coin is not listed on some of the major exchanges yet. How early we are, exactly. No major exchanges yet for Cas, and it's performing this well. Imagine when it gets to Coinbase and Binance. I like Cas because the price goes up. I have not done any research in it. Is it any good? I like Cas because the price goes up. I've not done any research. Is it any good? And this is how majority of retail investors be, man. Like, they just see something going up, they're gonna buy it. Not the smartest way to invest, but with Cas, I'm gonna let it slide, 6y8. This is one of those times where, like, buying into, you know, hype and green candles will pay off, man. Absac, I'm bullish on Cas. I'll buy again when it reaches back down to 2.4 cent. Pretty sure it will reach that level again. I'm not sure how much Cas will retrace, because the retraces so far has just been like minor. They're not going as far as people would expect. They expect huge dumps, right? but it's not doing that. It reminds me of Pepe, where people was expecting. Now, obviously, Cas is not a meme coin, but it reminds me of Pepe when Pepe was just going up and up and up, and people were expecting like huge retraces back down, but they never came, man. And you know, it could be the same thing for Cas. Now, obviously, I could be wrong, but you know, Cas is just super bullish, man. From crypto coin finances, Cas revolutionizing blockchain technology for the future, scaling new heights. The block DAG approach. Scalability has always been an issue, guys, and with Cas and its block DAG technology, it goes beyond a previous scaling solution. This groundbreaking approach ensures faster transactions times and significantly lower fees, making Cas an attractive solution for industries seeking the efficient and cost-effective blockchain solution. Fortified by security, the Ghost DAG algorithm. The Ghost DAG algorithm ensures that the network remains resilient against potential attacks, providing users with the peace of mind to transact securely and confidently. Privacy for all. Privacy remains a crucial aspect of any digital interaction. Casper addresses this concern with its instant block times. Community-driven innovation. We already know about the Cas community, man. Developers, community influencers, people on Twitter, social media, just all community, crowdfunding, all of that, man. No better community than the Cas community so far that I've seen, man. Cas, the native currency fueling the ecosystem, mining for all, roadmap to the future. Conclusion, embrace the Casper revolution, guys. This was from Crypto Coin Finances. Go take a look at that write-up that they did. Very nice write-up. From OX20, breaking news: Alibaba's top mining equipment seller, Apex to Miner, has joined the Casper currency. Use Cas to buy 10 plus mining machines. Wow. Whoa. Apex T0. I think it's Apex 2. Apex 2? Apex 2 Miner? I think it's Apex 2. But more bullish news, man. Great news. This is Alibaba's top mining equipment seller. Just joined the Cas, man. That's crazy. Jim Ski Bum. Glad to see Dylan Leclerc giving Casper a hard look. Makes sense that those big into BTC will inevitably look at it. Wow. Yeah, Dylan Leclerc right here. 317k followers. He's a huge Bitcoin maxi. And he said right here, cool long read, kinda busy, so give me a few and I'll come back with more informed take and or critiques. Replying to someone that mentioned Cas to him. That is very bullish, man. So he's gonna take a look at it. That's nice. We already know Bitcoin OGs like Aviv Zohar were fundamental in Cas's creation, which is great stuff, right? Right here, Dr. Aviv Zohar accelerating Bitcoin, right? And then we see DAG technology taking place right here. This is how DAG technology works compared to blockchain, right? Crazy, man. Absolutely great. This is so great. This is all great for me, man. I love what I see here. It's great for the Caspians out there too. Captain Sats, another big gigabrain Conflux founder, Fang Long, talks about CFX gas, which expands upon Ghost protocol. You should also check out what the investor of Ghost is up to on Cas. Oh wow. So I remember what's his name, Cryptos Are Us, talking about CFX, right? So the founder of CFX also mentioned Cas. Well, not Cas, but the technology that is behind Cas in his development of his projects. Crazy. Let's take a look.
What we have been working on. And to realize this goal, we start with the standard Nakamoto consensus, which many of you guys have been familiar with, and we try to build on top of the Ghost consensus and our new gas consensus and ordering algorithm in Conflux achieve a high performance, safety, and liveness guarantees.
Wow. Yo, that is so insane. So many top projects in the space that are some way utilizing or use Casper's technology, right? Have know-how of it or knowledge of it, and how it's such a better alternative to a lot of the previous technology, man. It's insane to think about. Mucho bueno. It's sooner than you think. 24 BPS for Cas. Insane. Let's go. Bisto Flex. Looking for Cas is looking to break all-time high once again. Enjoy your summer, folks. You know me. I'm gonna be posting videos every day. I'm gonna do my best to get videos out, man. YouTube algorithm, I am going to dominate you. You are my B word. YouTube algorithm, we are gonna crush it, guys. But yeah, Cas is looking to break out to all-time highs. A lot of people are gonna use summer to take time away from the screens, not me. But you know, taking time away from the screens to relax is to relax and refresh yourself is always a great way to go. Jim Ski Bum, once again, ADA and ETH have previously have explosive growth in the past years. Now Cas is mirroring those fractals. We checked this out already, man. Check this tweet out already. I think he just edited it. Yeah, this is ETH and ADA when they had that huge start, and then they just absolutely exploded years later. And Cas is on its way to potentially mimic that fractal and send it straight to $4 to $5 per Cas. You know, that's gonna be absolutely crazy, man. Brand 425 Coffee, get ready to blast off with Cas, the cryptocurrency that's riding through the crypto ranks at warp speed with an incredible development team, a dedicated community, and cutting-edge technology driving it forward. Cas is on a journey to new heights. But wait, there's more. We're calling all top exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, to list Cas. Join the revolution. Great stuff, great stuff. And from Casper News, Cas is a cutting-edge crypto that is revolutionizing the industry. It's scalable blockchain, innovative DAG architecture, fast transaction processing, and decentralized governance model are setting a new standard for digital currencies. And we can see right here, when it obviously the fiat system is old. I think the fiat system is done with, and this is why you know, I'm so bullish on crypto. I see the future of crypto being so huge than what it is now. To me, crypto feels like an echo chamber where, you know, even top known channels, YouTube channels in the space, barely get any viewership for crypto, right? You know, unless they're like super big, right? Where they get like 50K, 100K, 30K per video. I see that changing because crypto is going to get integrated into our lives so much that more and more there's going to be more and more people that get into the space because they'll realize, or you know, the officials or the people at the top will integrate crypto into our day-to-day lives and move past the previous fiat system. Maybe they will integrate CBDCs, yes, which there is control and a ton of control with CBDCs, but I think CBDCs will be interoperable with crypto. Like for example, Kaspa, you'll be able to trade your CBDC amounts of money for Cas and vice versa, with you know, all of the blockchains being connected, because people are still gonna use, I think, Ethereum and Bitcoin, obviously, definitely, right? So all of these blockchains, I think, will be able to integrate with the CBDC, and you know, that's gonna be the new system. So for example, Casper's block DAG technology will be a super fast way to transact and, you know, be a remittance system where you could buy and sell, trade, transfer money, etc. And it will be interoperable with other blockchains, block DAGs, you know, other types of these technologies, CBDCs, etc. Right? I think that's where we're heading in the future, and then these previous systems with cards, etc., will be obsolete. It's gonna take time, obviously, to transition over, but eventually they will be obsolete, guys, in my opinion. But yeah, Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. As always, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Cas and myself will be in the description. Blow this video up, make it go viral, get it to 10,000 views, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.